Want to stop others from downloading your Instagram Reels? Here's a quick way to protect your content. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and making sure you're signed into the correct account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now scroll through your Reels and open the one you want to protect. Once the reel is playing, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen to bring up more options. From the list that appears, select Manage. This will open a small settings menu specific to that reel. Look for the option called Turn Off Downloading and tap on it. Instagram will instantly update the settings, and from now on, other users won't be able to download that specific reel directly. Repeat these steps for any other reels you want to protect. And that's it. You've taken control of your content privacy. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more Instagram tips, and let us know what tutorial you want to see next. Catch you in the next video.